The entrepreneurship days as part of the Inspire program are really meant to give students an introduction to entrepreneurship and really inspire them to think about entrepreneurship as a potential career path as they embark on their graduate studies. We talk about all of the basic concepts, how to get started, how the university can help, all the way to how to raise money and understanding intellectual property. After that, the students get hands-on experience shadowing startups that are part of the SpinUp program. So they get assigned to a specific startup, they learn all about that startup, about the entrepreneurship journey of those innovators, and then they get to pitch those individual startups in a mock pitch competition. So they really get to be in the shoes of entrepreneurs, really feel what it's like to work in a startup. They also get to learn directly from student entrepreneurs that have done it. These are specifically undergraduate students that have started their own companies and are now being incubated at SpinUp.
I was a part of the 2024 Inspire program, and through the program, I had a chance to learn about a lot of the cool science being done here at UTM, as well as be introduced to the life science entrepreneurship ecosystem. While a lot of companies are started by graduate students, or a lot of organizations are geared towards graduate students, there's still many opportunities in ways that undergraduate students can get involved. I became involved at one of the startups, the Farm, as well as joined a student-led biotech organization called Nuclei Canada. For the Farm, I'm a research and development intern, finding out opportunities to bring our company's ideas further into market, whereas for Nuclei Canada, I am helping grad students who have ideas in life science and want to push those ideas into market themselves. Both experiences really helped shape what I want to do going further with both science and business. My advice for undergraduate students is put yourself out there. It may be intimidating at first, but if you come across any exciting opportunity, whether it's a company who's doing really cool research or it's an organization whose mission you really resonate with, reach out to the founders or reach out to people in the organization and ask how you can get involved.
The benefits to students and to startups from the Inspire Entrepreneurship Days can be quite immediate. But in the long term, it's really about getting these students excited about a tangible career path in entrepreneurship, demystifying the process of starting their own companies or even getting involved in a startup. It's not as scary as it seems.